Hello and welcome to iDivas. For those of you who don't know, I'm Tricia and I'm passionate about inspiring women to not just hang in there but to thrive. Ladies, regular fasting for shorter or longer periods is beneficial for our bodies, minds, and spirits. And if there was a perfect season to fast, spring would probably be it. On an energetic and esoteric level, spring is the ideal time for cleansing, especially if you want to burn off, the extra fat that you accumulated during the winter months and to reduce the accumulation of wet mucus in the body. Also, spring encourages us to let go of old things that no longer serve us and to try new things and really commit to action. And the best way to increase your chances of success is with a clear mind. And fasting certainly helps to achieve a positive mindset that is needed to make things happen. But, I'll get more into that later. So why smoothies? The final verdict is both juicing and smoothies can be very beneficial. However, smoothies do come out on top in terms of nutrients and fiber for weight loss and digestion. So I'm going to share how I do my 5-day smoothie fast to support my mind, body, and spirit. And I'll share what I drink in the morning, for lunch and dinner, and why. In the morning, I have a cup of warm lemon water to help get rid of the waste stored in belly fat. All you need is warm water, a few drops of lemon juice, and a dash of pink Himalayan salt. Pink Himalayan salt has lots of benefits. Among others, it helps the body to absorb nutrients and it aids in proper digestion, and it also helps to dissolve and really flush out toxins. At lunchtime, which is usually around 11:30, I make a pineapple banana antioxidant fusion smoothie. Pineapples are a great companion for fruits like oranges and bananas. I'm also adding some mango green tea. This tea is bursting with antioxidants and flavor. I soaked some chia seeds overnight, so I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons to my smoothie mixture. Yeah, it's very thick. And this will help to thicken the smoothie as well. The chia seeds will help you to feel more full, and it's also great for balancing your blood sugar levels, mainly because of the healthy fats and because of the high fiber content. It works like a prebiotic, supporting the healthy bacteria in your gut. Tumeric is a great anti-inflammatory. So I like to add just a little bit to my smoothies. This is a very gorgeous and indulgent smoothie. It's packed with magnesium, vitamin C, and potassium. So again, I'll only be drinking it at lunchtime, and I'll only be having smoothies within a 5-hour window period. So my next smoothie will be at around 5 o'clock. So the next smoothie I'm making for dinner is an Avocado Banana Green smoothie. Avocados are one of my favorite ingredients to add to a smoothie because it makes it really luscious and creamy, sort of like a milkshake. And it keeps you full, which is important because I'm only drinking 2 smoothies per day and nothing else. It's a nutrition powerhouse. It's packed with omegas, healthy fats, and fiber. I'm also going to be adding yogurt to this smoothie. I'm using it because it has a lot of protein, and it's going to give this smoothie a nice creamy texture. I'm also going to be adding 1 banana and a half a cup of frozen spinach. You can use any green that you like, fresh or frozen, it doesn't really matter. For water, I'm going to be using mint tea. Mint tea really helps with toxin buildup in the colon and stomach. I can do more than 5 days if I really wanted to, but I'm going to stop at 5 because I typically lose about 2 pounds, which is a lot for me because I have a very tiny frame and weight loss isn't really my goal. Although I don't mind losing weight, if that makes sense, because I'm just shedding waste. And but if you do feel fine and weight loss is your goal, by all means, go a bit longer if, need be. I did this detox mainly because I was having unhealthy food cravings. So that's usually a sign that your body needs to detox. Other symptoms could include as well excessive body weight, poor digestion, nausea and vomiting, fatigue, bad breath even, depression, stress, or a weak immune system. You'll know you've had a successful detox when you've shed some unwanted fat. And also you'll notice that your eyes will be a lot clearer and your skin will have this nice healthy glow. There are emotional benefits to fasting as well. The mind is able to flush out emotions like anger, fear, and irritability and replace them with more positive, uplifting feelings. You'll also feel a lot mentally stronger. There are spiritual benefits for sure. You're going to feel more connected to a higher power and just more grounded and sure of yourself. If you're looking for answers to a problem that you've been facing, a real difficult problem, this is the best time to fast. You'll get the answer, rather quickly. And, if it might take longer than 5 days. The answer will enter your mind and you won't have any doubts about what direction to take, and the anxiety surrounding the problem will practically start to dissolve. Will you be detoxing this spring? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.